Hi, this is Alex from Beach Hill Garage. On offer we've got this delightful 1926 Austin 7 van. The car is, well, it's nearly 100 years old, so yeah, celebrates its birthday in August this year. Absolutely outstanding condition, beautiful, lovely green with the black cycle wings. I believe it's always been a local vehicle. Not quite sure how it was used, probably bakery deliveries, groceries, something like that. But yeah, overall really outstanding condition. Come to us from a collection, local customer of ours, bought a couple of cars from us. He's had this one in his collection for a little while. He's now had his fun, decided to move it on. But yeah, so really early example. Quality of the restoration is exceptional. You can see that everything's been done to an extremely high standard. As far as we know, everything works bar the speedo at the moment. We're just waiting on a new cable for that, even down to the correct mirrors. Tyres all in good shape. It's a really pretty thing, and available for viewing in our dry, well lit barn. Ideal for the upcoming show season. Any questions at all, please do get in contact with us at Beach Hill Garage. Thanks for watching.